Ever spend hours in Excel, which would actually take just 5 minutes? Yeah, me too. So, today I'm gonna show you 10 shortcuts that literally saves you a tons of time, even if you have never touched Excel before. Hello people, I'm Bhavita and welcome to my channel. This is my first video here, so I thought what better to start with that we all use but sometimes secretly hate it, which is Excel. If you're wasting your time clicking, formatting, dragging, then trust me, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will be feeling like an Excel boss. Cool? Let's dive in. Okay. Imagine you have got a list of full names. Like let's say it can be like Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, like whatever. Okay. Now, instead of just like full names, I just want the first names. So in the Excel, instead of typing all the full names, like, and again all the first names, I can just use this shortcut. It works like a magic. So let's do that. Just look at this. We have got the full names in this column A, and I just want the first names in column E. And then now let's see how it works like a magic. I'm just typing Virat, okay? And I'm just pressing Control and E. So see, yeah, we did that, right? Isn't it cool? It feels like Excel is reading your mind, right? Normally, you would double click for adjust, or you will drag it for the adjusting it, correct? No, shouldn't do this. I have a trick for you. So what exactly we can do is, we can just select the text that we have and then press Alt, H, O, and then L. See? It auto adjusts everything for us and it's so perfect. No dragging, no wasting time now. And shortcut number 3. Let's say we have got numbers and we want to make it to the currency. So let's see how we can do it. So I can just select the data first and I just need to press Control and then 1. See? You have got this, and from here you can just change it to the currency and I pressed OK. Yeah, it's done, correct? It opened the format cells book instantly, and from there you can just change anything. It can be a day, it can be a number, or it can be the currency, or it can be the percentage, anything. It's like a control room for your data. Shortcut 4 is the lifesaver. Let's say we have got like hundreds of rows, which have some product lists. And now, I want to apply some filter. To do that, instead of just going to the toolbar and just like applying everything manually, I can do it very quickly. Just quickly click on Control plus Shift and then L. Boom! If you want to undo it, you can just like click on and click it again. Control, Shift and L. Ta-da! It's done, right? One tap, super quick. And shortcut 5 is sneaky powerful. Let's see how. Say you colored one cell with yellow. And you just want to repeat this coloring for the next 5 cells too. So, do I need to do it again and again, like go into the toolbar, fill in the color and all? No, we don't have to. Instead, you can just click F4 and it's done. It's like your own little do it again button. And shortcut number 6. Let's say you're preparing a report and want to add today's date. So instead of typing the date manually, what you can do is you just need to press Control and then semicolon. See? It automatically enters the date for you. Quick, easy, and accurate. You don't even need to check your phone again. Shortcut 7 is similar, but this time instead of day, we are going to use the time. Let's think that you're just like recording the time and you don't have your watch around. So what to do now? Instead of checking for your watch, you can just press Control Shift and then semicolon, and the correct time shows up. See, it's perfect for tracking the work without guessing the clock. Shortcut number 8. Let's say you are in total sales cell and you just wanted to know which cells are adding up to that particular sum or some product. Instead of just checking everything manually, you can just press Control and open square bracket. See, it jumps onto the data where it got added on to. And if you just wanted to go back to your answer or go back to your product, let's just press Control and close square bracket. It jumps back. Right? It's like teleporting around your sheet. Fine, it's shortcut number 9. Let's say you want to select the data which is not next to each other, like this. Usually the Excel doesn't allow it, but you can overcome this. We're using Shift and then F8. You can just select one range, press Shift F8 and select other range, and also select other range. You can just go on like this like forever too. And it's super useful for cleaning the messy data. Shortcut number 10. We have got a column of numbers. And here, I just wanted to add them up together. So, should I do 1, 2, 3? No. We have a formula where we can just like sum everything like this. Right? But I have the best test way, where you can just select the range and press Alt and equal to. See, I got the answer, and which is very instant. Correct? This one saves me like so much time. And this is perfect for the quick total. Which one was your favorite? Comment it below. I'm also planning to share more cool stuff on this channel. Think of it like a space where we will explore a lot of things together. So if that sounds like something you would vibe with, subscribe and just stick around so that you won't miss any content. And one more thing to be said. This is just a beginning, and then later, takedele. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.